access QuickSight for the first time, you need to provide an email address where your account credentials, your dashboard, and the invitation to join the QuickSight account will be sent. In the credentials email, the Factor BI team will have already created a username and a password for you. Your email will be linked to these credentials once you receive a link similar to this one. Only your email address will have access to this one password link. Click on the link and enter your email address. A verification code will automatically be sent to you, and your credentials will be unlocked. Next, go back to your shared emails. You will find one that says Invitation to join QuickSight. Open it and click Accept the invitation. You will need to select the account you will use to log in. This will always be Factor BI. Click Next. Enter the username that was created for you, and you will be taken to the next Amazon Web Services page. Copy the password. You will be redirected automatically to the QuickSight homepage, where your shared panels or dashboards will appear, and you will be able to access all your content. It is important to remember to save this information because the link is only valid for 7 days. We recommend storing it in a secure place or in a password manager application.